So I'm going to show you in this video how you're going to use the Documents Hub to edit a document that we've uploaded. And I'm going to start from the home screen of my phone. So hopefully this will help walk you through it, but then let's jump on a call and I can walk this through again with you later this week. But so from my home screen, I've got an InsiteOR app loaded up. So I'll just tap on that and it's going to bring me to the URL. From there, I'll tap the menu icon to sign in. And once I get myself signed in, I'm going to be brought to my main page. And in that main page, you're going to select the menu icon and you'll see the offices drop down. From there, you're going to select diverse medical and it's going to bring you to the office dashboard. And so once you're on the office dashboard is going to have a few menu options. You're going to select the menu option, Documents Hub. Documents Hub is going to show you a list of documents that we've uploaded for you when you click on the Uploaded tab in the middle. So once you're on the Uploaded tab of Documents Hub, you'll see all of the templates of the bill onlys that you've sent to us uploaded that you'll be able to edit in our platform so you can share them with the admins once they're saved. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So on the right-hand side, you'll select the icon that says Edit Document, and it's going to bring you to our editor. You can move around the editor on the page using your fingers on the left hand, right hand, and top and bottom margins where it's gray. So just select the Add a Text tool and then tap wherever you want to start typing on the document, and it's going to give you a text box. You can use the squares around the text box to resize it. I always make it a little bigger, but then right in here, I'm going to start typing in the date. So this is really easy because now I can also click the button that's looks like two pieces of paper, which will copy that text box. And as soon as I copy that text box, I can paste that text box, and now I have a clone. And now it's going to be really easy for me to create the same size text box for when I enter in the city, state, and zip code underneath it. And you can basically just keep doing copy and paste for all of the different places you want to fill out the form. But this way, you, one, can add text to the document pretty quickly wherever you want, and then two, copy and clone it and move it wherever you need to move it. If you need to select a tool again or do something, you can just drag across the top of the toolbar to move back and forth. If you need to add new text, you can just click that, tap wherever you want to. Now you'll see it's sample text again, and you can just drag, erase, and then type over. So this is super easy to do, and this is kind of what I would recommend just because it's going to give you that flexibility, and it's going to keep it all within the platform for you. Once you've added a text, you can move the box around, but if you're all done, or if you want to go to a different part of the document, you can use the two fingers that you have and pinch and zoom to move the document, shrink it, grow it, etc. If you want to add text to another part of the document, you'll just again click the Add Text tool. Make sure you click that, and then once you click that, tap anywhere in the document and you'll see that sample text box come up. So I'm going to add an example of a part number where you just basically again like tap the sample text, drag your finger across it so you can highlight the text, erase it, and then start typing over that. That's going to make it super easy for you to add the serial number, and then you can click it, resize it so it's nice and big, and then again using the text tools, maybe I want to keep this size for this area. I can click copy, I can click paste, and now I can highlight and erase the part of that that I don't want, and I can say it's a quantity of 1. And again, just repeat this for the serial code, copy, paste, and if you need to, you just resize it down. Really, really easy. This is all within our platform, so you're not going anywhere outside of the platform to do this. It's keeping it all within the security, which is great. But just copy, paste, tap wherever you want to type, move the boxes around. And for example, if you maybe copied one too many things and you don't want it anymore, you just click this little trash can and it's going to confirm you want to delete the text, but you just do that however or wherever you want to delete something you've written, and you'll see I've just cleared out all of those extra copies that I don't need. So once you've done all of this, and let's say the document is all filled out, you want to maybe get a signature for the bill only. This is where I'll use my two fingers to pinch out and zoom out a little bit. You're going to click the signature icon, and that's where this box is going to come up, where with your finger, you can just drag and type or drag and sign your signature. Once it's signed, it's going to pop it onto the document, and you're just going to take it and drag it, and then you can resize it and place it anywhere you need to. So if there's like a signature line, you can add it to that signature line. If it's just an empty area like I kind of did here, you could put it down there. But now I've got a filled out document with a signature that I can hit save, and then you just basically name it however you want to name it. I'll name this the mobile test on 12/14, which I'm not sure why I did that since today is 12/13. But point is, edited the document, added text, got a signature, saved it, and as soon as it's saved, it'll pop right back into your Documents hub. So we'll exit out of this window, and when we go back to our office, we'll actually see, well, I'll go ahead and click a refresh here really quick. Once I hit refresh, that new bill only with the mobile test 12/14 shows up in the office.